ndị be anyị ka ọmana na anyị na mma anyị si ka nke onye chiri ya zelụkwa dịka o si dị ebe anyị si were wetara ya bụ ozi n'elu akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa bụ Eastern News 24 ka anyị si were wetara ya bụ ozi and ozi a ji maka ya wee bịa ma gbasata maka ya bụ ife na-ada na-akpọtụ n'obodo nọ n'ime ya and nwere onwe ndị Igbo na-azọ. This news bụ according to the Biafran activist wetara ya as he quote, breaking news: USA human rights lawyer exposed a hidden secret concerning Nigerian government on Nnamdi Kanu's trial. Hear the news in details. All right, according to the update, here one of our brother with a US lawyer activist exposed the game Nigerian government chọrọ ịgba ebe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nọ. Biko tontinana gee ya bụ ozi dịka ihe gị ka bakwa arụ keri ya tịara anyị n'ife okwu. Over to you, sir.
My people, make una gather. This Nnamdi Kanu matter don't turn another kind drama again for court. As it be so, tension dey rise small as the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, still dey refuse to defend himself for the 7-count terrorism charge wey dey face for Federal High Court for Abuja. Now, not be small talk wey dey fly up and down. One public affairs expert, Dr. Sam Amadi, don advise make the judiciary tread softly for this Kanu matter. Meanwhile, the Nation newspaper carry a strong editorial yarn say Kanu dey play delay tactics wey no go help am at all. Dr. Amadi, wey be the director of Abuja School of Social and Political Thoughts, talk say he understand wetin Kanu dey try do. According to am, Kanu dey hold on to im position, say this trial not legit because of how dem carry am from Kenya come Nigeria. The extraordinary rendition wey still never get clear legal closure. In Amadi words, Kanu believe say as dem carry am come illegally, the whole case suppose not even hold water. So instead of to defend himself, he wan ground the process by refusing to write or adopt any defense. The judge don already give am 3 days to submit im written defense, but as e be so, Kanu no gree write anything. Dr. Amadi come talk say if na him be Kanu, he for not write anything too, because according to am, once you defend yourself, e go look like you don accept say the court get power over you. Amadi even remind people how late Ken Saruwiwa case be that time. He talk say sometimes taking that kind silent stand dey send stronger political message than to enter full defense for system wey you not believe in. But he still wan say if court go ahead convict Kanu, e go spark serious political tension for the Southeast. In im words, e go hard to judge this kind case without am turning to national crisis. Meanwhile, the Nation newspaper not follow Amadi for this line o. Their editorial wey Lawal Ogenagbon write carry strong message. What does Kanu want? Dem talk say Kanu don waste 1 full week wey the court give am to open in defense between October 23 and 30. Instead of to face the case, he dey find excuse. First, he sack im lawyers. Then he talk say the lawyers carry the case far is run. After that, he claim say the charge against am not valid at all. According to the Nation, all this na delay tactics, strategy wey Kanu dey use to drag the case like chewing gum. But dem insist say court not suppose dey dance to in tune. The law not be person friend. Dem right. Anybody wey not respect the law go collect im reward. The Nation talk say the Federal High Court don already bend backward enough to accommodate Kanu. Yet, e still dey behave like say e fit dictate how the trial go run. For their view, justice must go on no matter who cry or shout. If you reason the two positions well, e get as e be. Dr. Amadi dey talk from human rights and political legitimacy angle. He believe say if the foundation of the case not pure, anything when e follow go still get k-leg. But the Nation dey come from rule of law angle. Dem dey talk say even if person not happy with the system, e no mean say you go hold the court hostage. So now, we dey see the tension between legal process and political symbolism. Kanu no wan defend himself because he say the case itself na illegality. The court, on the other hand, no wan pause proceedings because of politics. As of now, the judge don give final deadline. Kanu either file in defense or the court go proceed without am. If he still not agree, the trial go continue in absentia of any written defense. And if they convict am like that, I mean serious opera fit follow. Because many people for the Southeast see the Kanu as political prisoner, not as criminal. Dr. Amadi warn again, say if government or court not handle this thing well, e fit open fresh wound for the country, even call the case politically explosive. If you look beyond the courtroom, this Kanu matter don already carry heavy political weight. For one side, some people believe say releasing am go help calm things down for Southeast. But for another side, others talk say if they set am free, e go make am look say the government dey weak or dey bow to pressure. That na why this case get double edge, one for law, one for politics. Remember say Kanu case not be just about terrorism charge, e also dey about identity, justice and trust between region and center. Now make we reason small about how this thing take reach here. Nnamdi Kanu story not start today. From the time when the movement IPOB begin shout for self-determination, e don turn national gist wey divide opinion across Nigeria. Some people see am as freedom fighter, others tag am as threat to unity. The wahala begin hot proper that year when security operatives invade the house for Abia. And later news break say dem don catch am again for Kenya. Na that same arrest wey many human rights groups still dey call illegal rendition. So from Kanu point of view, im stand today na like say since una carry me come back against the law, everything wey e follow after no get sense. Dr. Amadi understand that logic. E dey warn say if government and court no address that root issue, anything when e come later go look like cover up. Because once you no fix foundation, the whole building go still lean. But people like Lawa, Ogenagbon and others from the nation side, they shout say enough of this grammar. They believe say if every accused person start to challenge process instead of defending themselves, then law and order go collapse. And truly, this case don't show how fragile Nigerian legal system fit be when politics enter the mix. For every court ruling, it get both legal and emotional reaction from public. If you check social media, you go see say the case don't divide Nigerians again. Some they support Kanu fully. Them say he not supposed even dey caught in the first place. Others they drag am say they use the system play smart, while im followers they suffer for ground. For the East, plenty people they watch quietly. Some elders and youth groups they beg government make they use political solution instead of long trial. Because as one elder talk for Enugu, if peace na the goal, then forgiveness suppose enter somewhere. But the federal side not the reason like that. To them, dropping the case go look like weakness, especially as the charge touch terrorism matter. So it be like tug of war between justice for one man and stability for the whole country. The truth be say, this kind of case don't pass ordinary criminal trial. Now test of how Nigerian fit handle sensitive political cases with fairness, wisdom, and sense of balance. Dr. Amadi don't talk say the judiciary is supposed slow down small, check itself before judgment. The nation say make them not waste time again. Between the two positions, Nigerians they stand for middle. One leg for law, one leg for politics. But no matter how it end, the lesson clear. Once court enter political storm, every decision get consequence. We will keep our eyes open as this trial continue. Because whether Kanu defend himself or not, history will still write how Nigeria handle this case. So my people, what do you think?
Ndị be anyị ngwadalụ rinne na ya bụ ozi nke wetara n'ụbọchị nketa na Eastern News 24 bụ ụbọchị n'otu ya bụ ozi. Achọrọ m ka unu gwa ifu nchere gbasara maka ya bụ ife nwanne anyị nwoke kwuru n'elu akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nketa dịka ihe a ede ya bụ ife na kọment ka ọ bụkwara ketụsa ya bụ ozi ka o were ụmụnne anyị dozi n'ebe dị iche iche. Ngwana ka emesịa nụ ndị be anyị.